And so this is the exact same replacement lower unit that's getting sent to us. And we mentioned it might need to be packed a little bit better because they just had this the exact same way the last one was packed that was damaged. It's just sitting in there, and that's where the last one was damaged, right where that hole was. So it's just flopping around in there. And so we'll pull it out in just a minute and make sure this one, but you could see where everything's just been bouncing around inside there, and it's been hitting on the side of the box. There's holes in the box, but that was the only padding that was in there.